Hey, I'm David Carney for CNET. I'm here with an early look at a new true wireless headphone from Bose, the Earbuds 500. This is one of two new true wireless headphones that Bose is going to bring out in the next 2 years. There's also the 700, which has noise canceling. This does not have noise canceling. This is an early sample. It is not working, so I can't tell you exactly how it sounds, but I did wear them and I did try them on, and they are a very comfortable true wireless headphone. They are smaller than Bose's current true wireless headphone, the Sound Sport Free, and they do feel a little bit more comfortable, not quite as bulky. They don't stick out quite as far. Bose hasn't told us any specs on these, nothing about battery life, but we are expecting them to have about 5 hours of battery life, and they do have a few different mics. They should have better communications than the Sound Sport Free. Those only allow you to hear sound in one ear when you're making calls. I'm going to assume that these allow you to hear in both ears. These do come in 3 different color options, kind of a blue, a black, and this off-white here with a little bit of yellow trim. They have a nice feel to them. They do seem to have touch controls as opposed to the buttons of the previous model, and they probably are water resistant. They really do look like they're designed for sports. They have the same sport ear tips. They should fit a lot of people's ears really nicely. They do come with a small, medium, and large ear tip. It's also worth noting the case is significantly smaller than the one that comes with the Sound Sport Free. That's a big deal for people because this one actually seems like it'll fit in your pocket. Also worth mentioning, this does have USB-C charging. Bose seems to have gone to USB-C charging across its headphone line. They should have a quick charge feature that allows you to get a couple of hours of battery life from just 15 minutes of charging. Most headphones have that now. We are seeing a slew of new true wireless headphones come out. That of course includes the new AirPods, the Beats Powerbeats Pro, and a whole host of other true wireless headphones, and that's why Bose wants you to see these now. We don't know exactly when they're going to come out, hopefully by holiday buying season. All they've said is by the end of the year. I suspect these will sound a little bit better than Sound Sport Free, which already sounded good. So if you have your eye on a true wireless headphone and you're not quite sure which one to get, you may want to wait for these. You're just going to have to wait a little bit longer. I'm David Carney for CNET. Thanks for watching.